Hello, thanks for joining me. Today I'll be making garlic linguine. Let's get started. I have some olive oil, some butter, I'm going to get this heated up. I have some sliced garlic, fresh garlic, we're going to leave these in here for about 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes or so, just enough to flavor up the oil, the butter and the olive oil. Do not let it burn. It's been a couple of minutes. I'm going to take it out. We're going to add some pasta. I'm going to add my garlic back in. Some red pepper flakes. Couple more. Some salt. Pepper. Parsley. Going to add some parm. Some Parmesan. Plate some up. Get over there. And there you have it. Garlic linguine. Some more. Once again. Well, thanks for watching. And remember to pray. And then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you. Pray for them, pray for us. Don't stop praying. Pray. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe and tap that bell if you haven't. Share with friends and family and comment. I would love to hear from you. And until next time, stay safe, stay well, and stay blessed. I love you. Yeah, you. I really do. Make you some. Later.